Hey, Craig here. Today I'm gonna make some cookies, and in our van we do not have an oven, so I'm gonna make some no-bake cookies, which are peanut butter fudge cookies, no bake. So, okay, well, I got this recipe from a lady off of YouTube, and it looks pretty easy, and I'm gonna do it. So I have half a cup butter here. Then I have 2 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup milk, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and 3 cups of oatmeal. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is start my stove here. Woo! If you caught that or not. And we're first gonna add the butter. This is unsalted butter here, and I'll put that butter in there. Away. I'm going to add my 2 cups of sugar. And then letting that melt right now. We're gonna add our cocoa, 4 tablespoons, and we'll go ahead and add our milk. All right, we're gonna get that going. First. Okay, we're gonna get this where it starts to boil. Well, not full on boil, but it's a light boil. Smells great. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the peanut butter. It's bubbling in there, so you're gonna add the peanut butter, let that kind of melt up in there. Try to get all of it out. Okay, and this is like the real peanut butter, no sugar added. It's just peanuts. So I'm gonna stir that in there, and then you gotta wait 1 minute. Let it kind of simmer for 1 minute, and then we're gonna add our oats, our oatmeal. Wow, that looks good. It smells good. I can smell the peanut butter and the chocolate, kind of like a Reese's peanut butter cup. All right, so just gotta go 1 minute. I think I'm gonna take it off now. Don't want to burn it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my oatmeal. Try not to drop the bowl in there. Put that aside. Start mixing it up. Want to take a look, babe? Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, it's coming along. I want to get all that mixed up so none of it's dry. Wow, gonna make a lot of cookies.
Brad can eat with you.
Yeah, Brad, my neighbor here, is in the trailer over there. He bought the butter, so I told him I'd split some of the. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna split all of them, but I'll split some. So now these things are like runny right now, but when they actually cool, they're going to harden up. Well, that's what is supposed to happen. So that looks pretty mixed up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a spoon and scoop out the rest off of this big spoon. And apparently you got to do this pretty fast because it's still cooking inside the pan because the pan's hot. and I don't want to either overcook them or dry them out here, so we'll stick that in the sink. And these bowls. And now we're ready. We're going to move this over here. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to take a spoonful at a time, put it out, just like that. Nobody wants to see me lick my fingers every time. It's gonna be a lot. My cookies are done. Made 32. Kind of had to panic. Had to move my stove. Put more aluminum foil down. I don't know if I mentioned, the lady said put aluminum foil, and I believe they're gonna all hold together once they cool off here. So I ate some of the warm stuff and it tastes great. That's it. So if you want to try it, you could do this in a van, a 1991 Ford Econoline, and all you need is a stove and the ingredients. So